Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and is the beginning of week number 2 of my diet challenge. I already had my 40-45 minutes running thanks to the app Coach to 5K. I'm training how to run, and at the moment I am in one of the best parts in Battersea Park, is the subtropical garden. I'm just having a moment of rest here in the grass. I really would like to put myself completely down under all these amazing palms and trees around me, but it's a bit wet because yesterday rained. So today is very relaxing here around. There are not many people because it's Monday, the lockdown is over even here in London and people are gone back to work. And there are just few people doing workouts around the running like I was doing, and so it's the perfect day to stay here in the garden just to relax yourself, unlikely for the weather. It's finally time to go home and I'm gonna have a shower, and soon after I'm gonna have breakfast. Today I'm feeling very inspired and I'm feeling like I really need energy. I'm gonna have very healthy breakfast, yay! This is week number 2 of my challenge and I decided to call it Paleo week because I want to try to follow the paleo diet. But what is this kind of diet, paleo diet, that everybody's talking recently? Paleo diet is of course a kind of diet which is very common in stars, celebrities, actors in the last period, because apparently it's very difficult to follow because you got tired after a few weeks, a few days. It's very complicated diet, but apparently it's the most successful. Paleo means Paleolithic, and that means you have to include in your diet all the kind of food that primitive were eating. It's basically low carbs diet and majority of raw food. And I think I will jump straight away from the Paleolithic period down to 2020, the modern time, because I've got no intention to eat raw fish and meat. And if you're thinking that eat sushi is a good way of eating raw fish, that's not completely true. Fish used for sushi is treated in a kind of biochemical way that still like a processed food, so it's not included in the paleo diet. In this kind of diet you are allowed to eat meat, so every kind of meat you want, every kind of fish you want, better if it's a wild fish. You are allowed to eat fruits and vegetables, seeds, healthy fat, olive oil, but you are not allowed to eat processed food, as I said before, so soft drink, sugar, grain, most dairy products, legumes, and etc. There are so many other different food you can't eat. So at the end of the second week we will have again our feedback, and I can tell you if this paleo diet is very good or not. Okay guys, it's supper time and I'm very hungry. I just put some fish in the oven with some sweet potato, but I'm starving now, and that's why I just made one rice cake with some cheese. It's Parmigiano cheese, which I love it. I'm not sure rice cakes are included in the paleo diet, but I'm very starving. When I'm thinking about the paleo people, I don't know why I've got this thought about them waking up in the morning and going around chasing for food, mainly raw food, and so meat and fish and fresh fruit and vegetables. And that's why this morning I woke up and I just made this amazing fruit bowl. I like to call it a fruit salad bowl. So I put inside one apple, a couple of pears, a banana, nectarine, and some blueberries. And then on the top I put some yogurt, some soya yogurt, not normal yogurt because it's not part of the paleo diet, just soya yogurt just to give a bit more texture. And then because of course they didn't have any coffee machine, any cappuccino machine, I was thinking about them going around and chasing for some fresh vegetables or maybe some green tea leaves and then smash them and drink the juice. So this morning, as part of my breakfast, I made some celery juice, which I've done it last night and I left in the fridge. It's very nice and cold this morning. And it's just pure celery, and I put in this nice bottle and I add just a bit of water to give a bit more liquid form. So this is my breakfast this morning, very, very paleo breakfast. Just arrived. Ooh. Gratitude. Smart planner. It's gonna be my new journal where to plan everything. This is just amazing. Can you see the squirrel up there? He's making a nest and he's grabbing all the leaves around. Look, it's got very strange behavior. Oh my god. I could stay hours focusing him. Last night I received this beautiful journal that I ordered on Amazon Prime and arrived just after a few hours. This is the brand Smart Planner, Smart TBT, and it comes in this beautiful gift box, so you can even use as a gift if you want. And inside I found this thank you card, thank you Smart Planner, and this is the journal. It's beautiful. I think it's the best diary I ever had. When you touch it, it's very nice. It's like, it looks like a denim jeans, and it's got the elastic. I think it comes in two color, gray and this pink. I like the pink because it's the color I'm using for my vlog mainly, so it's very similar the colors I'm using for my vlog. And so this is the inside. I already updated last week because I'm doing this weekly challenge, so I didn't want to miss week 1. It's already written here, and today is Tuesday. I already prepared my plan for today, and here I put my plan, here some not completed tasks, and in the notes I used to do my food planning, my daily food planning. And what I really like of this diary is that every page, let me show you, it's got plans for the week, so you can write here your plan for all the week, and then it's daily page, and every page has got a quote from famous people. Look at that, for example, Tony Robbins. I am a huge fan of Tony Robbins. He's a very inspiring person. And oh, Maya Angelou, I love Maya Angelou. I mean, it's extraordinary. having a snack this afternoon because the cauliflower rice didn't make me very full, so I made my favorite snack, which is banana cut in half and put some almond butter on the top and coconut powder. Even this one, I'm not sure if it's part of the paleo diet, but I think it is. Good morning guys, wake up, wake up, wake up, because this morning we're going to run. This morning I woke up very late, I don't know what happened, it's almost 10 o'clock and I quickly had my breakfast. I had again my fruit salad like yesterday and I'm having now as a drink protein shake. Is a very pure simple protein shake, just protein powder and soya milk, because as I said I'm going to run. The weather is not great again, it looks almost like it wants to rain, but I'm going to run because I'm just exhausted, and because at the end of this challenge, who's gonna win, the weather or me? I'm gonna be the winner. I really need motivation this morning to go to run because, as I said, the weather is not great. It's almost middle of July and we haven't seen the sun at all since June, and it's very depressive and sad period for me. But anyway, in a month's time I should be home in Italy and I don't care. Maybe I will manage to see finally the sun. Right, I just finished my 5k running. Today is week 5. The weeks are becoming very hard. And this week I ran 5 minutes and 3 minutes walking for 3 rounds. So guys, this is my lunch for today. I've got 3 vegetable muffin and some pomegranate. The muffin that I just done. It's the first time I'm making muffin. I never done before, not sweet or salty version. So I'm very curious to see how they taste. And I love pomegranate fruit. And by the way, did you know that the pomegranate has got lots of benefit for your body? It's very rich in vitamin and fiber, and it helps to prevent heart disease. It's good for the blood pressure, high blood pressure. It's good for thin your blood. So if you are kind of person had a history of DVT, or you are a person who's treated with medications such as aspirin or warfarin, you can help yourself to thin your blood with some extra natural remedies like this one with a pomegranate. And it's got lots and lots more benefit. Hi guys, I'm having very lazy afternoon today. This is post my night. I'm accompanied of an apple, already half eaten. And I decided to take a day off today from workout, from running, from everything. I just want to have my body completely rest because yesterday while I was running in the morning, just when I finished to run, I came back home and I was feeling my ankles very painful, very tired, and because I didn't rest all day yesterday in the afternoon, and then I went straight away to work and I worked 12 hours not stop last night. In the middle of the night I was feeling like my legs with some cramps just around my ankles, and because I had a kind of this episode before, a couple of years ago, I went to the doctor and he said to me, you have to slow down, you have to take some day off because your body is not used to it. It's not easy like getting track, like running every day from doing nothing. Basically I was going to run every day, every morning on the seafront, and I've got the feeling that it's happening again because I'm having the same pain and the same discomfort in the same areas where I was having before. I've just finished to make my vegetable and salmon skewers. They are at the moment in the oven and they're gonna bake for 30 minutes ish. And few of them I think I'm gonna eat tonight, just 2 or 3, because I'm not very hungry. I had my lunch later, and all the others I'll bring with me tomorrow at work for lunch. Hi guys, today is Friday, finally the end of the second week of my challenge, and today I didn't make any video or picture doing my lunch, my breakfast, my dinner, because I was at work. I was doing long day, so since 8 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock in the evening I've been very busy at work. I've been busy, but it's been a very nice day. I didn't have a good day like today since long time. In the last few weeks has been very busy at work, and today I had laugh with colleagues, with the patients. It was everything good. Very quickly I'm gonna tell you what I had today. So for breakfast I had my overnight porridge that I made last night and I left in the fridge, and it was so good. Porridge with berries. And then around 11 I had my coffee break, so I took 1 coffee. And I have to be honest with you guys, I've eaten a biscuit, a cookie, because one of my colleagues, she bought this big box of cookies and I took 1 ginger cookie. I know I shouldn't have done it, don't judge me, the temptation's been so hard and it's a long time. More than 2 weeks I'm not having chocolates and biscuits and anything, and I was just starving, so I had 1 ginger cookie, big like this. Quite big. And then at lunchtime I had my salmon and vegetable skewers that I made last night, and I had an apple. And in the evening I just had a few minutes ago a bowl with some fruits and soya yogurt. I know it's not a proper dinner, but I came back very late after 9 o'clock and I was so tired. I had to do the shower to dry my hair, and I just so tired to make dinner. I wasn't even hungry, so I just eaten a bit of fruit. I didn't have too much fruit today, so I had the fruit with some soya yogurt. Tomorrow finally is Saturday, and like every Saturday I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna check my weight, and I'll let you know how it's been this second week of challenge, the paleo diet. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. I'm going to sleep. I'm just having some moment of relax in this very soft, calm place. It's my room, and I'm having a bit aromatherapy. I'm sorry that you can't smell it, but I'm having very nice candle with me. Hi guys, today is Saturday, and as promised I just checked my weight and I lost 1 kilogram in a week with this paleo diet. I'm shocked. I didn't expect to lose so much in 1 week. It's been hard diet, but at the same time not so hard, easy. I just texted one of my friends who's one personal trainer in a gym here in London, and I just asked some advice to see how am I doing and if I'm doing something wrong. And he's happy for me, but at the same time he's a bit worried, because this is the point where you have to really be careful and push yourself in terms of workout, because otherwise if you're losing too much weight you're starting to have stretching marks on your skin, and also the bit of muscles that you made you're gonna lose very quickly. So he said to me, I have doubled my workout. So if until now, for example, I was doing 50 abs, now I have to push myself until 100, because it's the time I have to concentrate on losing and toning up. In terms of diet, paleo diet is very restricted diet. Now, if you want to do like kind of flexible paleo diet, like most people doing, I believe, it's fine. You can include some dairy milk maybe, or some soya milk, some other different things. But if you want to be very, very restricted, very regional paleo diet, you have to eat just raw food, meat, fish and vegetables. This is the main things, and then healthy fats, nuts, seeds, that's it. And this week I've been quite flexible. Next week is gonna be week 3, and we'll see which kind of diet I'm gonna try. Have a good weekend. I will see you next week, guys, for the week number 3 of my challenge.